What is Slate? Through ethnographic style research that observed the experience of eating outdoors, we were able to gain insights on the constant use of technology and that there was a high demand for the outdoor eating experience. We wanted to design something to meet these insights and accommodate the new work from home lifestyle that we have all become accustomed to due to COVID restrictions. With sustainability in mind, we were able to resource materials that are not recyclable, materials such as old skateboard decks and pallets that we found beside dumpsters. Slate was designed with flexibility in mind. It can be used as a lap desk, tray table, and its cup holder conveniently doubles as a carrying handle for both right and left-handed use. Slate was also handcrafted.